Hello everyone, this is Harsha. Welcome to my channel Crypto English. So hi guys, in today's video we're going to talk about another airdrop. You can see on my screen this is the email I got from Aptos Foundation during the Aptos airdrop. So if you missed the Aptos airdrop, don't miss today's video. So in today's video we're going to talk about SUI blockchain, which is also building on the same blockchain which Aptos was using, and they have raised a decent amount of funding. And I'll also talk about the recent tokenomic announcement, which has so many hints about the airdrops to the early users. So everything will be covered in this video. Watch this video till then. Before starting the video, if you are here for the first time, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, click the like button. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comments below. And this video like that is 200 likes, so definitely click the like button right away. So let's begin the video, guys. So first thing, if you are not aware of SUI, I already made an airdrop prediction about this particular product previously. Do check out that video and come back to this video. So now they have recently announced their tokenomics. So I'll share some of the highlights from the tokenomics. So if you see the first post, it clearly says that SUI aligns incentives across all network participants and is the heart of SUI tokenomics. So which means they clearly says there will be some kind of incentives to all the network participants, which could be in the form of airdrop. So now if you go to the second post, they have this token distribution program. So where there is a community reserve of 50% and 6% of the community access program. And they clearly mentioned that these tokenomics could change over a period of time. So same thing happened with Aptos as well. So if you see the Aptos tokenomics, this was the official first launch of Aptos tokenomics, which has a community pool of 51% of tokens, out of which later during the token generation event, they have given 20 million tokens to the community in the form of airdrop. So maybe that could happen in this SUI also. Then if you read further, there is a post that says that in addition to our efforts, SUI community members will be able to purchase the SUI token in the early stage of the SUI mainnet. So that is through community access program. So they have a small portion of token allocation under community access program, which will enable users, so early community members, to purchase these tokens. Means it is kind of a token sale or kind of a IDO, so in which you can buy these tokens at a listing price, and after listing you can sell them for a good profit. So this is also a good opportunity, but right now the details of community access program, when it will start, how to participate, is not out. So once that is out, I'll definitely make a video about that. Then finally, if you read the last post, if you see that to those already testing the current experience of SUI, we are here for you. We will ensure you are part of SUI token allocation in mainnet. So which means if you are already testing the platform, you would get some kind of reward. So also in this tokenomics, if you see, this 50% is going to community reserves, which may not be for airdrop, but this is for multiple activities like delegation program, grant program, reserve program, validator subsidiary. And then in the 6%, if you see, community access program and app testers. So app testers will also have some portion here. So if you see in the community access program, these tokens will also support community members who have interacted and tested SUI apps to help improve SUI ecosystem during DevNet and testnet. So which means right now testnet is closed, testnet wave 1 is already closed, and we have to wait for the testnet wave 2. But you can still test the platform on DevNet. So because they already mentioned, the users could get some reward. So now that's the background of this complete SUI tokenomics. Most of the portion gives some hint that there will be definitely some airdrop or incentive to the early participants. But if you compare with the Aptos airdrop, so Aptos airdrop was not given to any of the users who are interacting only with the dApps. It was basically gone to the users who have applied for the Aptos incentivized testnet, which was a node setup. I made a video about that. Many users from our community made 300 Aptos for free. So same way, SUI also could give that to the testnet users. But right now the testnet wave is closed. Their wave 2 will be announced or launched. We are expecting to launch this next testnet wave in 2023. So which means in the next year, Jan or Feb, we will be able to see the wave number 2. In that, I'll definitely make a video how you can set up your SUI node in wave 2 and participate in those incentive programs, and you could be potentially be airdrop participant. So now along with that, they also they have launched a surprise Aptos 0 NFT testnet contest, in that whoever minted those free NFT, they also got the airdrop. So in my point of view, SUI also might launch some kind of NFT minting or something. So they will be also getting reward from this program. So now let's jump into the dApps testing. So I'll show you 7 dApps which you should test right now on SUI blockchain. So for that, you need to install this SUI app wallet and SUI wallet. Both the wallets I am running with the same wallet address, same seed phrases, so there won't be any problem for the airdrop hunter flagging. So now let's start. So first thing, you need to open this SUI wallet. In the settings, you just change it to DevNet. So we are using both wallets because some apps are available in some wallet and some are not. So here you have the request SUI DevNet SUI tokens. Just click on that, you will get some testnet tokens. And now in the bottom you can see NFTs. There are no NFTs. So let's start with 3 NFT projects. So let's click on apps. In that you can see one SUI NFT mint. Just click that, click on view. Then enter name and details and click on create and approve the transaction. Within few seconds your NFT will be created and landed into your wallet. So now you can see my crypto Telugu wallet NFT is ready. So let's move on to the second NFT project, which is Capsi. Just click on that, click on view. This is one of the important projects, so you should test because this project is directly supported by SUI ecosystem, so you should try this. Just click on my collection, click on Capsi. Then here get a free Capsi, click on that, approve it. You'll get 2 free capsies, so you'll get a random capsi. Just mint both the capsies. Right now breeding option is not working, so if your breeding option is available, you can try that. So now we have completed 2 NFTs. Let's move on to the third one. Just click on apps. On the top you can see this mint an NFT. So just click that and you will be receiving one random NFT into your wallet. So now we have minted 3 ways of NFTs. Now let's jump into the 3 ways of DEX and 3 dApps available. So for that we'll be using Suite wallet. So just open Suite wallet. And here you have to change it to DevNet and get some click on airdrop and get some test tokens. And in the bottom you can go to app section. Here we have multiple apps. So first we'll test MoveX. So just click on MoveX, launch DevNet and then connect the wallet. And now we need to do some swaps here. So this is just like a Uniswap of this SUI blockchain. So now we don't have the test tokens to get that. So just click on faucet, click on claim on both the tokens, the wrapped SUI and SUI USD. So once you click on claim, you will get 500 tokens each, and then go back to swap, select this token and swap it to another token. So just swap some 100 tokens, just click on swap, confirm, approve, and after that your tokens are swapped successfully. So now let's add some liquidity. So go to pools, select the tokens, both the tokens, and add some small portion of liquidity. So after that, just click on supply, approve the transaction. Within few seconds your liquidity will be added. If you want, you can remove that or you can add it again. So now we have tested Move Exchange. So let's move on to the second exchange, which is in your wallet. So you have to click on the SUI swap. So just click on SUI swap. You'll open this wallet, just connect the wallet here. And here also we have to get the test tokens. So just click on tokens and here you mint some 4 to 5 different tokens. So now after minting that, you have the swap option on the right side. So you can see the exchange tokens option available on the right side. Just select some tokens and swap them for a different token. So just select that and just swap those tokens to a different token and click on swap. So confirm the wallet approval transaction. So once that is done, your transaction is done. So now you have to go back to the pools tab, add some liquidity for BTC SUI pool. So just select that, enter the amount, click on deposit, approve the transaction, and within few seconds your liquidity also will be added into this pool. So now we have completed the SUI swap testing also. Let's move on to the third one. Just click on apps. You have this REI. So just click on that, connect the wallet. Then here also you need to mint some tokens. Click on claim testnet tokens. Just claim 2 or 3 different tokens. After claiming them, you have to swap and again have to add the liquidity. So enter the BTC amount. Just click on confirm, approve the transaction. Once that is done, your swap is completed. So just go to the swaps option on the left, select liquidity, and now here we will add liquidity and add some small portion of BTC and REI liquidity. So REI liquidity is added. So you just enter the amount here, just click on add and confirm, and once that is done, your liquidity will be added. So now we have tested 3 NFTs, we have tested 3 dApps, and we are going to test the last dApp of the day. So just go to SUI and click on Suite and click on this tab. In the last option you can see POAP. So this is a proof of attendance protocol. You just click on the SUI. So you connect your wallet here. So here you will be having some protocols available. So this protocol is available. Just click on claim SUI and confirm and claim. So once that is done, you will be receiving this NFT into your wallet. So now we have completed all the app testing on the SUI blockchain, and that's all, guys. So that's all about today's video. Do test these platforms regularly. If any suspense airdrop minting or events or something is coming on SUI blockchain, I'll definitely post on my Twitter. Do follow me on Twitter. And once they announce the wave 2 of node testnet node, I'll definitely post a video about that as well. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.